What is up, YouTube? This is Zach with Dreamedia Home Theater. If you guys are not subscribed to the channel already, make sure you smash that subscribe button down below and give me a big thumbs up on this video. Today I'm out here in Hanover, New Jersey. I got the wire ninjas back here and we are checking out a project that was installed right here in this home behind us. Now, you guys know we're expanding into the New York, New Jersey area and we would love the opportunity to earn your business. All right, guys, let's go ahead and get into this house and check it out. All right, guys, I am up in this theater right now and I'm about to take you through the entire space and show it off. It's an insane setup. We got a 9.3.4 Dolby Atmos system running off the TRINNOV, and we're running a 160-inch screen back here with a SONY 915 up here behind us. Now, I'm out here in New Jersey and I'm going to be bringing the installer, Jose with Wire Ninjas, on the YouTube so that he can walk you through the space and show off the work that he's proud of. All right, guys, over to Jose. All right, we're ready for you.
So check it out. I am very, very proud. This is one of our coolest installs this year. I'm very proud of this project. Let's start with the front array. So for the front, you have Aerial Acoustic Model 9, center channel. Absolutely massive. It's awesome. Not only is it massive and awesome, but all these speakers, they really do reproduce really nice, accurate sound. It really is incredible. So, front left towers, center channel, and then we can hit the subs right here. We have two JLs, one on each side. We actually have a third sub. We'll get to that. And as
what model?
You already hit cam, but these are our thetas. This is what's driving the front channels. We have 3 of these theta monoblock amps, one for the front left, one for the front right, and one for the center channel. We'll take a look at equipment later. That's your second sub right there. That's the third theta right there. Screen, 160-inch, Stewart G-Tech. It's a G4 tech screen. If you want to move to the surrounds, we have a total of 6 surrounds. These are all Martin Logan Frescoys. Really make a nice sound. They look good. A little bit older speaker, but hey, they work. They really make this place nice.
Yeah, I mean, that's the thing with quality audio, guys, is, you know, you make the investment initially, and quality audio lasts you a lifetime. Unlike video, unfortunately, video does change pretty rapidly. Quality speakers can last you a lifetime, as you can see here in this space. All right, sorry to cut you off. Yep,
so check it out. In ceiling for the 4 Atmos heights, we have the KEF 200. These are the THX speakers. These actually, in particular, have a really wide dispersion pattern. They are an excellent choice for Atmos height audio. And then if you take a look up there, or if you hit it, but you have the brand new Sony.
Yeah, the Sony 915.
Yep, the 915 here. This thing is awesome, and we actually got it really, if you can see, the install came out so nice, so clean, tucked back. We still have enough depth in the back to achieve Sony's 2 inches for cooling, let's say thermal properties. But really nice projector. And then, I guess the last piece would be the sub in the back, JL, the Fathom, the big boy. We call it the big boy. So ridiculous, so awesome.
You can never have too much bass, guys, honestly. And having this one here at the rear of the room is going to give you better dispersion throughout the space so that both rows of seating are going to get that low frequency bass.
So total of 16 channels here, 13 speakers and 3 subs, all coming out of that TRINNOV processor. And with TRINNOV, it's awesome because you have a whole lot of different profiles and configurations as well. We ran with the TRINNOV configuration and it sounds just... words can't describe.
You're going to have to subscribe to the channel because we're going to be playing a demo for you guys and oohing and ahhing over it. This is beautiful. So show us what's up here.
Let's take a little look at the equipment real quick. That's your ISP equipment. And the homeowner, the client, he ran out and got the new Xbox, given that we were, doing all this within the time frame. Cable box, Kaleidoscape. This is really nice, the media server. It's uncompressed audio and video. Also gives you, CinemaScope or 240 aspect ratio and uncompressed audio and video for the ultimate home theater experience. Now, this is your TRINNOV processor. Dude, I fell in love with this thing. This thing is so awesome. If you look up the reviews, it's ridiculous. These things, AC Infinity, these are good cooling options when you do a cabinet like this. Not every install is the same. Sometimes you do a cabinet in your limited space with these bigger components. It's really nice to get a thermal solution, you know, to pull that hot air out and get it out of the cabinet. This is a salamander. It's a really nice piece. It's got an open back, but we still want to pull that heat out of the cabinet. These are your amps driving the heights and driving the surrounds. These two, we have the best, Blu-ray player on the market right now, the Panasonic DP UB9000. Considered the best right now. We're controlling everything with the Harmony Hub and Harmony Remote. Apple TV, you know, if you want to go with a more simple, streaming solution. And then this is our power plant. Also, this theater in particular is nice because we actually have what's supposed to be as far as power driving all these components. We have a dedicated ground and all home runs to one dedicated line, you know, back to the panel, as opposed to just tapping normal power. We took that extra step, which is really nice. You don't get to do that everywhere.
Yeah,
really
absolutely.
Cool. This Sonos piece, this is actually driving some outdoor audio. And this is an Alien router. Alien router's cool. I love Unify, and this thing actually covers this whole home. The homeowner's so happy when he got this thing.
Creates a mesh network.
Yes.
Basically Wi-Fi throughout the entire house that runs on one SSID.
It's so nice.
In layman terms. All right, guys. Well, that does conclude our quick review and walkthrough of this killer system out in New Jersey. We're in Hanover. Now, we are servicing the entire New York, New Jersey markets and would love the opportunity to earn your business. As a quick recap, we're running a 9.3.4 Atmos system, 160-inch Stewart screen, TRINNOV processor, salamander rack, all the industry-leading products, as well as killer best of the industry installers that we are working on bringing onto our team throughout the entire nation. Now, you guys got to subscribe to the channel because we're about to fire this bad boy up and do a demo for you guys. With this 915 back here, TRINNOV processing, I mean, it's going to be amazing. Well, that's all I got for you guys. If you like this video, make sure to give me a big thumbs up and smash that subscribe button down below. Till next time, this is Zach with Dreamedia Home Theater. Thank you for watching. Just cruising through New Jersey. On to the next one.